So our first ingredients for our fried chicken, Korean fried chicken, we need a sweet chili sauce. So I have with me the 3 tablespoons of oil, 12 pieces of minced garlic, 60 grams of ketchup, tomato ketchup, 60 grams of chili paste, 125 grams of corn syrup. And then I have a 3 tablespoons of chili powder, a Korean chili powder, and then 3 tablespoons of apple vinegar. So also on the other side, I have here with me the kimchi brine. So if you're making kimchi, you need to have a brine. So we need that also for our chicken, to brine the chicken to give flavor on the inside and outside of our fried chicken. So for our kimchi brine, we need 3 pieces of long chilies cut like this. We need 12 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. And we need a ginger, as much as like this. And then we need a 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 125 ml fish sauce, and then a liter of water. So first, we need to brine our chicken. So this is like a 1 kilo of chicken wings. So let's put first the salt here. All the ingredients must be in here, and then let's stir it until such time our salt will be dissolved in the water. Then our fish sauce, then the chili. So let's stir this brine. Then let this marinated with our brine for at least 1 to 2 hours, or you can do overnight, but you should have to put that in the fridge. So we're gonna do 1 hour or 1.5 hours brining. So we're gonna do 1.5 or 1 hour of brining of our chicken. Cover. Okay. Then cover this and leave it on the side. So for my chicken coating, we need 180 grams of potato starch, which is I have with me, 60 grams of sweet flour here, and then 80 grams of all-purpose flour or self-raising flour, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So this is for our coating. So we're gonna mix it all together and then put our chicken before frying it. So I'm gonna put them all together here in one big bowl. So we're gonna dip our chicken here later before we fry it. Okay, that's it guys. So I have with me the brine. So I brine this like for 2 hours, already more than 2 hours. So I'm gonna strain it. Strain our chicken. And then let's
little longer than a few minutes later.
So I need to check the temperature of the oil. So right now our oil is 275. So we need a 300 degrees Fahrenheit degrees. So it's like 280 right now. So we need more. So you're already on 350 guys. So I'm gonna start frying now. So I have here put the Just slowly by slowly, guys. It's just 3 for now. Or maybe 4. Because this is homemade, you know. We don't have a fryer. Soon I will buy a fryer. Okay, so we'll start. Make sure remove the excess flour. Let's fry it. Like that. More. Let's remove it. We don't want to stick in the bottom. Hey. So 4 minutes is done. So I'm gonna transfer this here for now. Then let's continue frying them later. Let it relax. So the first batch I didn't cut it because I want to see the whole, so like this in Korea. So 4 minutes is done. So the chicken looks like this, guys. So we're gonna refry it again for 3 minutes to 4 minutes until golden brown, and then after that we're gonna brush it with our homemade chili sweet sauce. So I put back all the chicken that I made a while ago already. So let's the color. It looks brown, golden brown, and I think this one, see, it's golden brown now. See the color? So they're already golden brown. Put it aside. There you go, guys, my crash landing fried chicken. So I have with me the homemade sweet chili that I showed you a while ago on how to make it. Just do like this, brush it like that, or we can toast it if you like. So there you go, guys, our Korean crash landing on you fried chicken. So I'm gonna brush it with our sauce that I have with me, that I showed it to you a while ago on how to make this. It's really good and it looks so good. So I wash my hand, guys, don't worry, and we're only the one eating this, so defensive, right? People will just say, oh, well, you're not. So I'm gonna plate it. I want to see how it looks like. Maybe like that. Then I have these herbs from my garden there. Yeah, I have a small garden in my at the back there. So I'm gonna put some herbs there.